Why is the flight delayed?
Due to the weather.
Why is the flight delayed?
Due to the weather.
How long?
Around 2 hours.
How long?
Around 2 hours.
That long?
Unfortunately, yes.
That long?
Unfortunately, yes.
Will we miss connections?
Possibly.
Will we miss connections?
Possibly.
That's frustrating.
We're sorry.
That's frustrating.
We're sorry.
Any compensation?
Everyone will receive meal vouchers.
Any compensation?
Everyone will receive meal vouchers.
Where do we get them?
At that counter.
Where do we get them?
At that counter.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help?
Excuse me.
Yes. How can I help?
I have a peanut allergy.
Thanks for telling us.
I have a peanut allergy.
Thanks for telling us.
Is this dish safe?
Let me confirm.
Is this dish safe?
Let me confirm.
I'll wait.
Sorry, it contains peanut oil.
I'll wait.
Sorry, it contains peanut oil.
I can't have that.
Don't worry, we can modify it.
I can't have that.
Don't worry, we can modify it.
Please do.
We'll prepare it separately.
Please do.
We'll prepare it separately.
I appreciate that.
Safety first.
I appreciate that.
Safety first.
Thank you.
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course.
Hello.
Hello, how can I help?
Hello.
Hello, how can I help?
I'm looking for headphones.
Wireless or wired?
I'm looking for headphones.
Wireless or wired?
Wireless.
What's your budget?
Wireless.
What's your budget?
Around $100?
You might like this one then.
Around $100?
You might like this one then.
Can I try it?
Sure, this model is really popular.
Can I try it?
Sure, this model is really popular.
Oh, yeah. The sound is clear.
It has noise canceling too.
Oh, yeah. The sound is clear.
It has noise canceling too.
I'll take it.
Great choice. That'll be $89.
I'll take it.
Great choice. That'll be $89.
Thanks. Here you go.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thanks. Here you go.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Hi, I'm not feeling well today.
Oh no! What happened?
Hi, I'm not feeling well today.
Oh no! What happened?
I have a fever.
Did you see a doctor?
I have a fever.
Did you see a doctor?
Not yet. I'm resting for now.
Do you need the day off?
Not yet. I'm resting for now.
Do you need the day off?
Yes, I won't be able to work today.
Okay, take care of yourself.
Yes, I won't be able to work today.
Okay, take care of yourself.
I'll update you tomorrow morning.
Sounds good.
I'll update you tomorrow morning.
Sounds good.
Sorry for the short notice.
It's all right.
Sorry for the short notice.
It's all right.
Thank you for understanding.
Get well soon.
Thank you for understanding.
Get well soon.
Thanks so much, sir.
No problem.
Thanks so much, sir.
No problem.
Hey, can we reschedule tonight?
What happened?
Hey, can we reschedule tonight?
What happened?
Something urgent came up.
Is everything okay?
Something urgent came up.
Is everything okay?
Yes, just family stuff.
That's fine.
Yes, just family stuff.
That's fine.
Can we meet tomorrow instead?
Oh, I'm busy tomorrow.
Can we meet tomorrow instead?
Oh, I'm busy tomorrow.
Then next Sunday?
Sure, that works for me.
Then next Sunday?
Sure, that works for me.
At what time?
3 p.m. should be fine.
At what time?
3 p.m. should be fine.
Sorry for the change.
No problem.
Sorry for the change.
No problem.
Thanks for being flexible.
Always.
Thanks for being flexible.
Always.